School playground marking. A sports teacher marks three cones at x minus 2, 1, y 4, 1, and z 4, 7. He wants to make a right angle practice area for football passing drills. Check if triangle XYZ is right angle triangle or not. So see, to check for right angle triangle, so first find all the three distances XYZ, XYZ, all the three sides. First find XY, then YZ, then XZ. Then arrange in ascending order, or you can check square all the sides. Find XY, YZ, XZ. Then square all the sides. If you'll add any two sides after squaring, if you'll get the third one, then it is a right angle triangle. So first I'll find here all the three distances. The longest one will be like hypotenuse if it is a right angle triangle. So first I'll find XY, the distance between X and Y. X is minus 2, 1, minus 2, 1. Y is 4, 1. So these two I'll consider as like x1, y1, the other one x2, y2. So distance formula is xy equals under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now here, if we'll substitute the values, distance of xy, 2 points xy, x2 is 4 minus x1. x1 is minus 2, so here minus of minus plus 2. y2 is 1 minus 1. 4 plus 2, 6 square. 1 minus 1, 0. So root 36, which is nothing but 6. So xy is 6. Now I'll find the distance between y and z. Y is 4, 1. Z is 4, 7. See here, if you'll observe, if x coordinates are same, then directly mod y2 minus y1. So mod 7 minus 1, if you'll do 6. So the distance between yz is 6, but here I'll calculate by using the formula like x1, y1, x2, y2. Now, formula to find the distance yz is under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now if we'll substitute the values, yz under root x2. x2 is 4, x1 is 4, 4 minus 4 whole square, 7 minus 1 whole square. 4 minus 4 is 0, 7 minus 1 is 6, 0 plus 36. Root 36, so yz is 6 units. 6 units. Now I'll find xz. X is minus 2, 1 and z is 4, 7. Now here again I'll consider these 2 points like x1, y1, x2, y2. Now distance formula, xz equals under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now if I'll substitute the values, xz equals under root x2, 4 minus x1, minus of minus plus 2 whole square, y2 is 7 minus 1 whole square. 4 plus 2 is 6 square. 7 minus 1 is 6 square. So it is 36 plus 36. 2 times 36, and 36 is a perfect square. So 6 root 2 units. Now I need to check for right angle triangle. So to check for right angle triangle, just arrange the values in ascending order. So first small values I'll write xy, yz and xz, because 6 root 2 will be greater than 6. So xy is 6 and yz is, xy value is 6, yz is 6 and xz is 6 root 2. Now if I'll square all the sides, 6 square is 36 and here it is 36. 6 square is 36 into 2, which is 72. So clearly 36 plus 36, these two values if you're adding, you're getting the third value, 72. So clearly, see, converse of Pythagoras theorem states that in a triangle, here if we'll take XYZ, X, Y, Z, this I got 6 units, 6 units, and this I got 6 root 2 units. Now, sum of the squares of two sides, that is xy square plus yz square, if it is equal to sum of the square of the third side, then the angle opposite to the third side is 90. So clearly here angle XYZ is 90 degrees. So triangle XYZ is a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle. Because the statement is, in a triangle, sum of the squares of two sides, if it is equal to the square of the third side, then the angle opposite to the third side is 90. You can state this in another method. In a triangle, if the square of one side, if it is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides, then the angle opposite to the first side is 90. We can state this way.